Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to break down the pound US dollar, and we're going to have a little look at it a little bit more depth, why we're in particular focusing on this market and could see a decent rally up at least into this 133 sort of area. So what I'm going to do is just break down this chart and show you some seasonal reports as well. So just jumping over to some seasonal charts, and we can see that the pound futures are here, 35 years of data up until 2007. So there's still a little bit of data off here, but we can still use this seasonal data just to give us a little bit of a look at what's going on in the market, whether we can actually use this or not. So looking at this, what we can see is the fact that in September usually the pound does find some kind of bottom and we see a little bit of a rally. Now if we go back to the charts just very quickly, we can see that the pound actually in September did find a bottom off these August lows and rallied, and we're still in that phase. So actually price is following that little bit of a seasonal pattern currently, which is why I'm interested in this market for one. And you can see through December we do have a significant rally, usually until January. So again, adding that into the market, what's actually going on? Well, we can see that the price is starting to break out of these recent highs around about 1.3. So we could see here that the market actually continues to rally up towards that resistance level of 1.33. So what else can we add into this mix? Well, if I go and have a look at some other seasonal data and what we've been talking about in other times, we've talked about how the US dollar index pre-election year typically drops throughout December, and again we can see that highlighted here by this seasonal pattern just running through. So again, looking at the chart, adding it all together, it says that the dollar index falls, which usually means that the US dollar falls, okay, and pound rises, which is exactly what we're seeing at the moment. So what I'm expecting to happen, if I just zoom in, is for the market to come back, retest this 1.3 level, where we'll look for long positions up into that 1.33. So that's a nice 300 pip move that we could be looking to target if the market does want to push and find some support back here. Real nice break and retest pattern as well. So we had the real nice sideways action, and then the market pulled back, retest of that breakout, continuation. So price may actually want to just drop slightly below that 1.3 level, as it is a trend line break through here as well. So be aware of that the market alternatively could pull back just a little bit lower than 1.3, but we'll look for daily rejections if the price is to get back to this point of support down in here. So this has been John, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. I hope you've enjoyed this video update, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. Thank you.